if you want to, you can join me here. I've prepared a couple of things that I'm super happy about. So let me put my camera here for you. Let's put it like this at first. So here to my left, you see the surface. It's not even new, but since it's connected to the server rack over there, just a special one that we have just for our for the studio world, it's not connected to our office. I can even have the Streamdeck here. I want a real one later, but yeah, we have it. And recently, Philip from Brodup, who supplied here at the studio, showed me that we can even change this monitor here, where I can see. Yeah, so typically we have the just the output here, so I can see what's going on. But I can now, as I learned from Philip, so thank you, Philip, I can see when I'm alone here all the details. I can see it's recording on the bottom left. I can see the audio, and I must really tell you, when I'm here alone, I'm uncomfortable if I don't know if the recording worked. And just before I started here, I pushed the record button and nothing happened. Why? Yeah, I didn't plug the hard disk to the right slot. And yeah, that is just nice. I might get a bigger screen here sometime, maybe always this kind of a screen, but also for other colleagues who join me here. Yeah, sometimes it's a little bit too much, so I'm not sure. That's good for me. For normal people, I would rather show this, which is then in our real setting like this.